Akiaria ri mwene wa Chuka hindi ya mucemanio wa kiama gia KUPPET, Misori ni oritie kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini gukorwo igithuthuria uruti wira wa kambuni iyo ya AON kuona ni ikoretwo igiteaniria ciraniro ciao na Arutani na igathie na mbere na kumarenga mbeca ciao.
This insurance company must be investigated and the money that teachers have not used be returned to the same teachers. Because we cannot sit as, you can't sit plenty as somebody steals teachers' money.
Mucemanio-ini ucio, munini wa Mwandiki munene Moses Ndungari ni augite kamiti ya wandiki wa arimu TSC ni ibatie gwitia mbeca iria ciothe ikoretwo igitinio ni AON na gucokerio Arutani.
I realize that the insurer is making a cool 1.6 billion and currently they are under pressure to double that profit to be 3.2 billion. So the 312,000 teachers will suffer the consequences of misdirected scheme. That is what I think is relevant.
Oho ni oritie TSC ikorwo ikihe Arutani wiyathi wa gwithurira kambuni ya insurance iria ingi matungata wega.
The ladies in job group L.
Ngeribootera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Gathoni wa Nyambura.